Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your business strategy with McKinsey, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your current business strategy thoroughly. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of your existing approach. Gather relevant data from internal sources and market research. Next, define your main objectives and desired outcomes. Research McKinsey's strategic frameworks and methodologies. Familiarize yourself with tools like the 7S framework, SWOT analysis, and the McKinsey matrix. Select the framework that best aligns with your business needs. Assemble a cross-functional team for diverse insights and perspectives. Conduct workshops to encourage collaboration and idea generation. Analyze the collected data using your chosen framework. Identify trends, gaps, and opportunities for improvement. Develop a revised business strategy based on your analysis. Create a roadmap for implementation with clear timelines and milestones. Assign roles and responsibilities to team members for accountability. Prepare a communication plan to share the new strategy across the organization. Regularly monitor progress and adjust the strategy as necessary. Collect feedback throughout the implementation process. Evaluate the outcomes against your initial objectives. Continuously refine your strategy to adapt to changing market conditions. Document the entire process for future reference and learning. By following these steps, you can effectively transfer your business strategy using McKinsey's insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.